Hello everyone and welcome to JP Creation, and in this lecture we are going to create the overall hand structure. So to create this we first need to see that every bone is connected properly or not. So we can see that the jaw joint is not been connected properly, so we need to parent it. So to parent it, first we will select the child and then select the parent. First selected will be the child. So first we need to select the jaw joint and then select the head joint, and after selecting this hit P on the keyboard to parent this, and after hitting P, now if we select the root joint, we can see that the overall joint from the body has been selected. After doing this, we need to rename each of the joint, like we have not yet renamed still. So here there is one mistake, like the inner radius should be greater and the upper joint radius should be a little bit less. So we will select that joint and in the radius we will increase it little bit, and after increasing it, it is just for visual thing, so we can increase it, and after selecting the inner joint we can decrease it little bit. This much is enough. Yes, hold control and shift, then do it, and after selecting the uppermost, again I will reduce it a little bit. So this is only for visual representation, so we can do it in this way, so that whenever we select it, the this joint should get selected. And now rename it. So I will rename this joint as left underscore clavicle joint. Now select the overall name and copy it, Control A and then Control C, and select this joint at select this joint and paste it, Control V, and replace the clavicle with replace the clavicle with left shoulder. So now we will again paste it here and replace the clavicle by renaming it left elbow joint, and select this joint here over here and rename this. First select this, paste it, and select the clavicle and replace it with left wrist joint. After renaming all these joints, now we need to rename the fingers. So to rename it, first we will select the thumb and rename it thumb. Select the index finger and rename it index finger. Underscore finger. Copy this and paste it in the middle finger. So I will paste it here and then change the index as middle. Now select this finger and first select the joint, paste it, and then rename it ring finger. And the last finger will be pinky finger, so paste it and change the index as pinky finger. So in this way we have to select all the joints and rename it. After renaming it properly, we just need to see that some of the IKs are also properly renamed. If they are not properly renamed, then we will select the IKs and rename it properly. So near the leg, both the legs, left leg and right leg, we have not renamed the IK handles. So select the IK handle first. We can also select it from the outliner. So from the outliner we will select it. Let's see which is the left leg. This is the left leg, and after selecting the left leg IK, Now we can see this is the left joint, correct? So we will select the left IK over here. After selecting the left IK, we can rename it in the outliner also. So we will rename it here. Like first we have to type here left underscore leg underscore IK handle, left leg IK handle. And same we will copy this name and then paste it into right side. So first type this left leg IK handle and then copy this, and after copying this, select the another IK handle on the right side and then double click on it and paste it and replace the left with right. So type right leg IK handle. After renaming it properly, now we need to rename the arms also. So near the arm we have created one IK handle. So need to select that IK handle also and rename this. So we will double click on it and paste it and change the name from left leg to left arm, left arm IK handle. After doing this, now we need to select the hand and then mirror it on the other side. So select the hand from the clavicle joint, and after selecting it, we have to go inside skeleton, and inside skeleton click on mirror joint option box. First reset it. We do not need to reset it all the time because all the properties which I have given it, these are properly assigned. Like we have to search for left and replace with right, and the mirror across is also properly in the same direction like YZ. So we need to keep same and then hit on apply and then close the panel. But this have not applied the IK handle, so we need to create the IK handle for this right side. To create it, again we need to go to the skeleton option here. So to create the IK handle, we will again go to the skeleton option and then click on create IK handle option box and reset that window once and close it. After this, now we can click on this joint and then click on the wrist joint. So from shoulder till here we have created the IK handle and rename this. I will directly paste here and then change it to right arm IK handle, right underscore arm. Okay. So till here it is done, and now in the next lecture we will be seeing how to bind the joints with the body. So make sure you practice till here.